Welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Bytes. Today we are going to learn about how we can do Power Pivot in Excel. So to use Power Pivot, first we have to activate the Power Pivot tab. So you can see currently we don't have Power Pivot tab here. So for that we'll have to go to Files, then Options, then in under Add-ins, under manage you have to select com add-ins, then click on go. So you can see here Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Just check the box and click OK. So now you can see Power Pivot option is available here. So in Excel we have two tables. First one is employee targets. So we have employee ID, employee name, and there are targets. So and in the second table we have sales data by each employee. This is date wise data. So first we have to add table in Power Pivot. So select the table, go to Power Pivot and click on add to data model. So first we have to add both tables into data model and then link them to each other. So it is processing. So here the range is selected and we have checked on my table had headers and click on OK. So now data model window will be open. So as you can see our first table is added into data model. Now similar we have to add second table also, which is sales data table. Okay. Go to Power Pivot, add to data model. So both of our tables have added. So to link them together we have to add relationship. So go to diagram view. So as you can see we have two tables and column names here. So our table 1 have unique values, that is employee ID. Table 2 have repetitive items. So we select employee ID, double click, drag it to employee ID. So this will be our primary table, this will be secondary. So you can see one to many relationship as done. So just close this. Now I am adding one more sheet, name is summary. Then I am going to insert for pivot table. Now you have to select from data model existing state. So you can see both table here are visible. So I am selecting employee ID, employee name, their targets in values. Now from this second table I will add sales. So I am just formatting the pivot table. Tabular. Okay. So as you can see from two tables we have merged the one and create a power pivot. So more to it you can add measures also, like if you have to add what is the percent achievement for each employee. So you can click on the Power Pivot, go to Power Pivot, measures, click on new measure. So I'm naming the measure percent achieved. So in the formula I am writing sum of achieved. Achieved means it is sales, table to sales, then divide by sum of targets, table 1 target column, and closing the bracket. I'm clicking on OK. So it will add achievements, so we'll have to just add percentage. So as you can see, percentage are added. The first employee John Smith have done 25% of achievement. Similar you can do multiple calculations under measure.